Hi, I'm Nicol James Ventura. I continue the report of the software development program. Good enough design. Getting it done with a great design. Good design helps you deliver. In this last chapter, things were looking pretty dire. A bad design was making life hard for everyone, and to make matter worse, an unplanned task crop up. In this chapter, you'll see how to refactor your design so that you and your team can be more productive. You apply principle of good design, while at the same time worry of striving for the promise of the perfect design. Finally, you handle unplanned tasks in exactly the same way you handle all the other work on your project using the big project board on your wall. Version control. Defensive development. When it comes to writing great software, safety first. Writing great software isn't easy, especially when you got to make sure your code works and make sure it keeps working at all times. One bad decision from a coworker, one crash hard drive, and suddenly all your work goes down the drain. But with the version control, you can make sure your code always safe in the code repository. You can undo mistakes and you can make bug fixes to new and old version of your software. Building your code. It pays to follow instructions, especially when you write them yourself. It's not enough to use configuration management to ensure your code stays safe. You also got to worry about applying your code and packaging it into the deployable unit. On top of that, which class should be the main class of your application? How should be the class be run? In this chapter, you learn how to build tools allows you to write your own instruction for dealing with your source code. Testing and configuration, continuous integration. Things fall apart. Sometimes even the best developer breaks the build. Everyone done it at least once. You sure your code complies? You tested it over and over again on your machine and committed it into the repository. But somewhere between your machine and the black box they call a server, someone must have changed your code. The unlucky soul who does the next checkout is about to have a bad morning sorting out what used to be a working code. In this chapter, we'll talk about how to put together a safety net, keep the build in working order, and you're productive. That's all, and thank you.